Temperature is a measure of the average kinetic energy of the particles in a substance. It indicates how hot or cold a substance is. The units of temperature are as follows: Celsius, often written as degrees Celsius; Fahrenheit, commonly represented as degrees Fahrenheit; Kelvin, abbreviated as K.
Let's talk about the temperature scales. 1. The Celsius scale. On this scale, water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and boils at 100 degrees Celsius. 1. The Fahrenheit scale. Here, water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit and boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. 1. The Kelvin scale. On this scale, absolute zero, which is the theoretical lowest temperature, is 0 Kelvin. Water freezes at 273.15 Kelvin and boils at 373.15 Kelvin. Now let's go over the conversion formulas. 1. Celsius to Fahrenheit. To convert a temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit, multiply the Celsius temperature by 9/5 and then add 32. 1. Fahrenheit to Celsius. To convert a temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius, subtract 32 from the Fahrenheit temperature and then multiply the result by 5/9. 1. Celsius to Kelvin. To convert a temperature from Celsius to Kelvin, add 273.15 to the Celsius temperature. 1. Kelvin to Celsius. To convert a temperature from Kelvin to Celsius, subtract 273.15 from the Kelvin temperature. Factors affecting temperature: solar radiation, latitude, altitude, proximity to water bodies, ocean currents, human activities.
Definition. Seasons are divisions of the year marked by changes in weather, ecology, and the amount of daylight. They are caused by the Earth's tilt on its axis and its orbit around the Sun.
4 main seasons. Spring occurs after winter and before summer. It is characterized by warming temperatures and blooming plants. In the Northern Hemisphere, it typically spans from March to May. Summer follows spring and precedes autumn. It is characterized by the hottest temperatures of the year. In the Northern Hemisphere, it typically spans from June to August. Autumn, also known as fall, follows summer and precedes winter. It is characterized by cooling temperatures and falling leaves. In the Northern Hemisphere, it typically spans from September to November. Winter follows autumn and precedes spring. It is characterized by the coldest temperatures and often snow in many regions. In the Northern Hemisphere, it typically spans from December to February. Causes of seasons. Earth's tilt. The Earth is tilted on its axis by about 23.5 degrees. This tilt causes different parts of the Earth to receive varying amounts of solar energy throughout the year. Revolution around the Sun. As the Earth orbits the Sun, the tilt causes different hemispheres to lean towards or away from the Sun at different times of the year. Equinoxes and solstices. Equinoxes occur twice a year, around March 21st and September 23rd, when the tilt of the Earth's axis is such that the length of day and night are approximately equal. These mark the beginning of spring and autumn. Solstices occur twice a year, around June 21st and December 21st, when the Sun reaches its highest or lowest point in the sky at noon, marking the longest and shortest days of the year. These mark the beginning of summer and winter.
Impact of seasons. Weather patterns. Variations in temperature, precipitation, and wind patterns.
Agriculture, planting, and harvesting seasons are aligned with seasonal changes.
Ecosystems. Animal migration, hibernation, and breeding cycles are influenced by seasonal changes.
Human activities. Seasonal variations affect clothing, heating and cooling needs, recreational activities, and tourism.